Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Wi-Fi but show no internet on Windows 11 step by step clearly. To begin, click on the network icon in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen. This icon looks like a Wi-Fi signal or a computer monitor. Once the network panel opens, locate your Wi-Fi network from the list. Click on the network name to select it. Ensure you are connected, but if you see no internet still, don't worry. Next, right-click the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, click on Network and Internet. In the left sidebar, choose Status. Scroll down and click on Network Reset. You will be prompted to restart your computer. Confirm the reset and then restart Windows 11. After your computer reboots, return to the network icon in the system tray. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password if prompted. If you're still facing the no internet issue, go back to Settings. This time, click on Wi-Fi from the Network and Internet section. Scroll down and select Hardware Properties. Check for the IP assignment setting. It should be set to automatic. If it's set to manual, switch it to automatic. Next, while still in Settings, click on Advanced Network Settings. Here, find and click on Network Troubleshooter. After the troubleshooter runs, check if you have internet access. If the problem persists, consider updating your network driver. Right-click on the Start button again and select Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters section. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software. After updating, restart your computer once more. Once your system is back up, check your internet connection again. If necessary, contact your internet service provider for further assistance. Following these steps should help resolve the no internet issue on Windows 11. Ensure all cable connections are secure and functioning properly. This process can help restore your internet access effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.